I'm gonna show you how to do this trick. This trick, and you start with this. You are one, two duplicate card, and one red back card. You take the red back card, so, and you put it on this one. So then you have the setup. Then you make pick a card. They pick this card, and then you take this and take this card they choose, this, and then you put it, the red card on top of it. So then you spread it out like so, but you are on the table. We have run one red card. So then take this and spread it in 2 piles. Take this one and do it. Then you do a double lift, and you can do a different kind of double lift, riffle double lift. This was your card. Good. Then we take it and put it on this side here. Then we do a hinder force. Say stop. Then we shuffle again. Then we're gonna check again, is this any red card here? No red card here, but we have one there, this, and that's it. That's what the trick is done. If you want me to perform the tricks, I will. If you want me to perform this trick in it, I will do a video if you come.